Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Marshall-Wright. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an estate planning attorney in South Carolina, and I help families plan for the unexpected and protect their valuables. All right, so we're continuing with our Back to School series. Last week, I told you that estate planning starts at 18, and you need to get your babies going back to school or heading to college for the first time ready with some estate planning documents. Not just the extra long sheets. This week, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. I want to talk about a specific document that they absolutely must have. All your children who are over the age of 18, heading to college, local or not, should have a healthcare power of attorney. You're probably thinking, well, this is a child and I'm the next of kin and they're not married and there shouldn't be an issue with me getting access to their records or making decisions on their behalf. But that's not necessarily the case. Think about it. If your child, God forbid, is involved in an accident and they end up at the hospital and you're hours away from them, do you think a medical professional is going to talk to you over the phone? No, they're not. Not without consent from that child or a legal document giving you authority to get access to medical records. And that's where your healthcare power of attorney would come into play. It not only gives you access to their medical records, but it appoints you as their agent so that you can make decisions on their behalf, no matter where you are. If you don't have a healthcare, or your child rather doesn't have a healthcare power of attorney in place, you may have to go to court to actually take action on their behalf. And that's not something you want to have to do. Of course, we don't want to think about the negative. Hopefully all will go well and you'll never have to worry about this. But if your child is involved in an accident or they end up in the hospital and they are not able to give their consent, you'll want to be prepared and you'll want them to be prepared and you'll want to be able to take care of them from far away. All right. So if you didn't know that your children heading to college for the first time or returning for a second, third, or fourth year should have a healthcare power of attorney, now you know, and I'll see you next time.